a result of doing the benchmarking project last year. This opportunity arose and something we jumped to. Well, having had a good discussion with Mark and looking at the figures, obviously we put a plan in place. I think it's too dramatic at the moment, but it's small steps. Hopefully these small changes will have a positive effect on the business. Mark highlighted the importance of comparing our figures to top third figures. We can see that our gross output per hectare was doing pretty well, but to go that a little bit further, maybe it was highlighted to us to increase a little our stocking rate, so that we could further increase our output, and that can only be good news in the end.
The key thing is for the farmer to really know where they are at the moment, really find out what their costs of production are, and from that point then they're able to compare with their peers and really to find out whether they're achieving an average performance or above average, and then from there go on and improve their business. So it's not really necessarily looking at other farmers and seeing how brilliant they're doing. It's about driving their own business and making those small steps to improve year on year. And without knowing your cost of production, it's impossible to do that.
And to be able to have the professional pair of eyes looking over your business can only be a good thing. So it's something that hopefully will prove worthwhile for us.